Perform these steps regularly to maintain optimum cleaning performance. Place the robot on a flat surface to remove and empty the bin. Note: before flipping over the robot, hold the pad as shown to prevent damage. Turn the robot upside down. Lift the green tab and pull out the brushes to remove them. Clean any debris built up on the brushes. Be sure to check for any debris under the end caps. When removing the bin at the beginning, do not put it back on until the end is indicated in the following steps. Use a lightly dampened cloth, and gently scrub away any debris built up in the vacuum path. Note: allow the vacuum path to dry completely before running another cleaning job to prevent the immediate buildup of debris. Reinstall the brushes. Verify that the latch is securely fastened. Turn the robot over and reinstall the bin. If additional help is needed, please contact the iRobot customer care team.